And so where would you like to travel to?
Actually, if you say, I would like to travel around all the countries in the world. My
Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. My
Is
name,
my voice coming clearly to you?
yes, it is. And my voice, can you hear me?
Yeah, actually, I connected my earphones, but now I don't know what is happening. But your voice is coming
Oh,
from microphone.
oh shoot. Hopefully it will not be a problem.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. What's
Okay.
your name?
Tanya,
Okay. Yeah.
and
Hello.
your
Nice
name?
to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Um,
too.
my name is Anand.
Ah, it's nice to meet
Yeah.
you.
I live in India.
Oh, no. It must be, I think, like 1 a.m., I think, now in India.
Correct. Yeah.
It's
No,
very late.
it is 12, it is 12, 5 a.m. 12.
Oh,
Yeah. It is
wow.
around 12. Yeah.
So what time do you go to bed?
12:30.
Oh, wow.
Around 12 to 12:30. Some.
Okay.
And what is your sleeping time?
10. So mine's 10 p.m.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but I wake up very early.
Oh, that is nice.
Yes, yes. So I normally wake up at 6 a.m.
Actually, I've been trying to wake up early since 10 or 15 days, but I somehow I end up sleeping very late and I wake up very late.
It's
So this
difficult.
is,
Yes.
uh,
It's
it is
difficult
like a
trying to.
cycle actually. Yeah, it is like a cycle. If I sleep late night, and I also wake up late in the morning also.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I think in India, a lot of people go to bed or go to sleep like at 1 a.m. Because I speak to a lot of people from India at this time at night. That's why I know it's 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. there.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you are very correct actually.
Okay. So what would be your perfect bedtime schedule?
Actually, earlier my schedule changes very frequently because when I start means when I start waking up early, then I wake up early, go to bed early. I have certain things to do in the evening, like exercise, like meditation sometimes. So these are the things I do on a regular basis when I start doing this. But when I leave these things, that then my whole schedule is like distracted. Means I wake up late, I go to bed late, I eat unhealthy foods, so it is like I'm not disciplined throughout my all the
It's
time.
difficult. It
It
is
is like that.
difficult.
Yeah. But
um,
when I do those things, I feel like good. But when I
mm,
left those things, no, it is like very difficult to grab that schedule again.
yes, yes, that is true. It is difficult to have a healthy schedule. That's why once you have it, try not to deviate from it. Like try and stay healthy.
But your schedule is good actually.
Yes, yes. I try to be in bed by 10, so I can get up at 6. Because I'm very busy early in the mornings. So I have to go to bed early.
Oh, but that is good.
Yes, yes. And so, how was your weekend? What did you get up to?
Uh, Means I did not get your question.
So, how was your weekend? What did you do?
Okay, how was my weekend? Actually, the place I live, there's total lockdown here, so we are not allowed to go outside. Only emergency services are, means, yeah, it is like means emergency services are only things which are allowed. So I have been like from last 15 days, I've been staying in at home only. I did not go anywhere else.
Oh
So it is
no.
like quite, It is like sometime I actually feel like going outside, but due to this pandemic, no, it is like very difficult.
Yes, I saw on the news, I think India has 200,000 cases a day.
Yes, yes. The
It's,
state I
it's
live, the state which I live in, have almost half of the cases that are in whole country.
oh
So
wow.
yeah, if you are saying like 200,000 cases are this daily it is reporting. So there are half of them are from my state only, Maharashtra.
Mm. Oh
So
wow.
yeah, the chief minister here announced lockdown for 1 month, complete 1 month.
A
Yeah.
month?
So yeah. So now till 30th April we have to stay at home only because only emergency services are going on. No
And so,
other. Yes.
and
It is.
so what work do you do? Can you work from home?
Yeah. Currently, due to pandemic, I am working from home. Yeah, but it is like. By the way, I work in retail industry actually.
Oh, so
So
that's
retail is
difficult.
yeah, so retail is completely closed now because. But I'm working from home. I have some work which I need to do on a daily basis.
Yes.
But fine, we are coping up with the situation right now. But mentally, it is very means what I should say, but it is like very tiring to stay at home all
It
the time.
is. Yes. No, I agree with you.
Yeah, when we go to office, then I used to wait for the weekend because to stay at home or to rest or do whatever I like. But since the time the lockdown has started, no, it is like very difficult for me to stay at home.
Yes. And do you live alone or do you have someone you live with?
No, actually, I live with my family.
Oh, that's good.
I have parents, my sisters.
Oh, that's good. It makes it easier.
Yeah, it is like it makes it easier. If you stay alone, it is like very difficult for you to. At least there should be someone like you should talk or you should share your feelings.
Yes, I agree.
So,
Okay.
what is the situation at your country about coronavirus?
It's not too bad.
Hmm.
It's not too bad. I think we have around 1,900 cases a day. Um, so it's actually really good. Yes.
2000?
Yes,
2000
yes.
cases a day. Okay.
Yes, yes. We had a lot of restrictions at the beginning. I think that did help a lot. Yes.
Yeah. Good, good. Good
Mm.
to hear that. At least in your country, the cases are like under control.
Yes, yes. It would be nice if there's 0 cases a day. But I think that will only be in the future.
Yes, yes. Nice. Good.
And so have they started with vaccinations in your country?
Yes. Actually, it has been started for the people who are above the age of 60.
Okay.
The first preference will be given to the people of old age people. But now recently they have started from the age of 45 also. So
Okay.
if people, a lot of people are going for the vaccination now.
Oh, that's good. And do you know if you'll get the vaccination?
Uh, can you just repeat the question?
So some people don't want to get the vaccine because they say it's dangerous. Would you want to get it?
No, it is actually currently it is not compulsion to take vaccination. Yeah, we have to register our name for the vaccination, and it is voluntary right now. But don't know about future. If in case government wants to make it compulsory, they can. I don't know. But
Oh,
a lot
they
of
can.
vaccination is going on a daily basis.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, what did you used to do before coronavirus? Like, what did you do on the weekends?
Oh, weekend. Actually, on the weekend, I like to rest. I like to have rest at the home. I sometime I go to meet friends. So I have friends, so we go hang out or go to movie. These are the things only we used to do.
Okay, nice, nice.
Yeah.
And so why are you learning English?
I'm like actually I'm learning English. I just want to improve my English because the since I started using this application Cambly. Actually, when I joined Cambly, I just wanted to have better communication. But as and when I communicate with the different country people, so actually I enjoy talking to people right now.
Oh,
So
that's
it is like
nice.
it has become my hobby. You can say hobby because I get to know different people. I get to know the situation at other country, their culture. Uh, and it is good. Like I like to
Yes,
continue.
yes, it's a nice social thing. Get to just talk at least, even though you're in lockdown.
Yes, yes, yeah. Along with my English improvement, I get to know. I get a chance to meet new people every time. So it is like
Yes,
fun for me right now.
yes, yes, it's amazing. And have you ever traveled anywhere?
Not out of India. Actually, I haven't got any chance yet to go out of India, but I would like to go to different countries for visit. I like to travel also, but I haven't traveled out of India. But I travel in India when I get chance.
And so where would you like to travel to?
Actually, if you say I would like to travel around all the countries in the world, my actually yeah, my desire is to go in every countries and visit famous places there. But as of now, if you say a country name, so I would like to visit Dubai,
Oh,
then
nice.
America, then Britain, London. These are the places.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah. And
Okay.
have you visited other countries?
So I've been to France.